program, like we are now. If I should say anything now, Uncle Kaye and Uncle Chaye, hey, not echo. You have to come back, apologize and all.
Celebrities near the idea we invite you over the Bawu show. So, what you say?
Oh,
your friend saying,
I don't let my producer call anybody. I call them myself.
Okay.
Myself, they're myself. Myself means that me text to yeah, and tell me about myself. Myself, I call them myself.
Okay.
Because I feel like you love me. You know what I do. I'm not one person that I'll put a dent on you. Because I don't want it on me as well.
Okay.
Until me and person may be body near me.
Okay.
And besides, you know my work into me fair and they are ready to come back.
Okay.
I feel so friend me who produce an FM and come then by 6 months.
Yeah.
And I'm up and down. Oh, I'm sick. I'm lying. Do maybe I'm wrong. Oh, but fifth year fell. Oh, fee. I'm meaning next week me. But next 3 weeks, be a full available.
Yeah.
Oh, my producer are not from here. Let's look at kind natural.
It is your friends, what friend or no?
To my friend, they tell me as I said.
Yeah.
Oh, no, okay, Tuesday. Nana, me nya available Tuesday. Yeah, next week about Wednesday. So be I mean Tuesday. Now I can so can patch. Me pese will be out sending me ingredients. They say we have the kind of food we want to do. Say we didn't follow in a good because every season we look at the food. What do we so banana? I mean, we look at how we all be comfortable on the show.
Okay.
Yeah, if you phone here, I mean, me to meet the food for sister and son, my inquiry. We didn't inquire sister and son.
Nice one. Into the name,
we learn from everybody.
Say, you per se, and I said the brand, you know. Oh yes, I would say 50 Pratt Afro, and I said Ama Mcbrown Afro. You the celebrity, yeah, because of respect and all the money.
Yeah.
That's a nipano our friend on. Or my or yes or per se or try so per se. Who any producer deal respect and answer the respect.
Okay, so me fell. No my fell. Me friend said last week I showed Miss V. I have Miss V number. Me friend phone mini. Na me DM no. V, how are you? Hope you are well. Cause if you are well, what I need, no idea between I am.
Heavy.
And I would like to have you on my show. I'll be happy if you can grace it. It's a cooking show. We shoot it on this day, that day, time, this and that. We have series, various food. But if you have something new you want to bring on board, it's welcome. Tell me you can say no. No. You can only tell me, Nana, minya available or Nana minye. But also that I mean, when you know my part of it, I beg you. I work with one person. I would like the person to have a number to call. And that's also be my manager number so that the people can talk on our behalf. Na efe. Ebi ami now. Ebi out. But we are aware say my friend. Into also we catch our manager say we Nana SC cooking show but here my cadence Tuesday new or Thursday available and confirm. And na catch Nana say yenye. Me to me and can't. I mean, however you give me the result, I'll take it. Because you come to grace it, but remember I have a show. And Oba minya show. There will be sha minya show. Will be tia minya show. Indeed, I feel the first of all I respect. And also I had my own. Until I catch a minute manager in Delia. I will call the manager. As a manager, my mommy PA. And I send everything to me or send it to this number. Or Kelly, take this number, call Wade's manager because my clients are also my friend.
Okay.
But mostly they send it to me.
Okay.
Most of them.
Okay.
And I'm manager and I deal with them. And a big deal, mommy.
Okay.
It is for the good or the betterment of my show, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, because me I'm a number and you won't find coaching.
That is it.
And besides, you get a rap. When you come on the show, you have like 4 hours together.
Yes.
Your baby and I had on phone.
Yes.
And he's like.
Yes. Said your work can say one or friend will be near the will start seeing what you then offer Mzbel for interview no about show.
Oh no, one thing you have to know that show is for UTV. I'm a host. And look, I don't hate anybody in this industry, first of all. This question proved that people think I have a problem with Mzbel. I don't have a problem with anybody. Me Fifi, me a Poleeno. Me yeah Mzbel was sure no so I forget to say me a host. I will speak to my directors.
So we hear no.
Me nkase me here no. We will come to a way. But the point is, what do you mean by we here will be? Hey Juma. We come and we go. Mzbel me no issue. Sabi wa date me kunu pen. Me suma date Okyeame Kwame pen. And na ye abefa. Inti se me sumi commence well a date Mzbel pen. Na se me ni max or call out. If they have issues, I don't know how my husband feels, but I've never asked him anything about her.
Wow.
Because I don't need
Never
it.
ever.
Yeah, I speak to Kwame when we meet. I don't pick a phone and call him. He meets me now. I want to say, we go. And the year na ho bet me Okyeame fine. The year no to me Okyeame so fine. Because me no am free fear by me and buy na me ameko. What I say? And obi no one na me say am me. O bet me aka machi say mbone. No, when Nyame amamsa. Me no what deal. The obe can be either you are fabricating because you go back to your bed and you cry.
Yeah.
And you know the human in me when you get close to me. Inti to have Mzbel on the show, it was for the betterment of my show.
Okay.
I get paid for it.
Okay.
I work for Ghanaians.
Okay.
I do everything. And Mzbel has not attacked me. Or attacked me as plain as she is. I am raw more than that. But when you mean yourself, I mean, what I think that perception must go away, must stop. And that's the reason why I was happy to have her on my show.
Okay.
What I say? And on my show, I didn't call her because I want to drain her or because I want to dent her, because I want Ghanaians to see that. No, we came, we spoke, we had fun, and she left. And we've not spoken since then because we don't speak already. Oh, until you need problem. Until that thing must stop. We're fine. This was my life. I think on my show was probably the fourth time or so I've seen her in this business.
Okay.
It's a big deal.
And some Ghana for no drink and somewhere because that show no echo viral pa.
Oh, I knew it.
Echo viral pa, echo pa. For you to get Mzbel on your show. I want us to name and send some be akoko so no money ade and it said Ghana fulfill say ebi awudi ya wo and some by you know the we are now be all Casania the one compare about your husband. What I say, it be a one compare.
You say, that time no more chimp now. Onion a wife.
That time no more
chimp now.
And Odisha Maxwell.
Debbie, only Max I think 2 years or so before I knew Max. Or maybe I don't know, but me know be a name Max is my uncle.
Okay.
Because I knew her in the industry before I met Max.
Okay.
Into some Mzbel be a minimum dada.
Okay.
Okay. And she's a human being. She only have her own lifestyle, and we have to know that.
The way on Mzbel they be a worker say your friend is on the Max your tight, you know, and then we work confirm say no more out.
And now what do you mean by that? We need Google Tiasi intro. I mean Google Tiasi, and maybe behind to see. I mean, Mzbel for be a fan for no Google. Me teacher call me maybe no. If I Google know about reciprocate, as I say. Na koko catch na. Into person who maybe I know to fear crowd. That's all you have. The point here is, sweetheart, I don't have a problem with Nanekia, and I'm not part of their breakup. And as I speak, minimum kuno, and we are far beyond the game they used to play.
Okay.
What I say? I only would tell Ghanaians say, Obi our ex. Obi high people. It is a Mzbel quarter. We are not enemies. We are not enemies. If I have to work at Mzbel, hey, I've been on site with Mzbel Miracle Films time B. Nami name Max. As we finish work, and that's our catch was an for. Mzbel saying, how are you? What's up? Good. near Diane, come and send them down and come. I don't even have her number. And okay, we'll be a Juma. I feel so from afar, we all respect each other. I mean,
nice.
She came on my show, and that was it.
Nice.
United Showbiz, you know, that's the ish. Saturday night.
Heavy.
By God's grace, we're making waves.
I wish I and there's someone amate. Nananwa can ask them. Empress, I can ask them.
Oh, my man, me face, Mr. Gavoko and Dinko, from Michael.
What should I say? This year, the be added that I want you on the
Yes, see, I did.
I check.
Ghana for Nam Mzbel.
No, when any issue be because the Ghana for no Sunday up to now.
And that's the reason why I was even very happy to have her on my show.
Yeah.
Not on anybody's show, but on my show.
Yeah.
And it's live, and everything we did there was not like edited, and you know.
Ghana for so because once and almost hey Charlie, I say Mzbel, you're comfortable. I say Nana, you're comfortable. Just I say,
hey Fifi, we didn't come on. We ready on your mind.
Let me off.
I don't even want to know what time it is. I think what's going on? Let me balance down the channel. Appointment and I'm going that I'm a call me by my bed. There will be a friend endorsement to say about sharing your business. I can't tattoo crown. I don't wake up to watch what you wear.
But the way I net conversation, the cover on the Cassandra salon, I was like, oh, Jesus Christ, so we are worried and watching baby.
Oh, no. Fifi, you can't control what happened on social media. Oh.
You're live on Instagram.
Ah, Trey. Hello. Hello.
Oh, you did joke. Oh, so I know.
Man, this is on point. Kafra. Hey, I'm okay, since we're on commercial break, hey, Queen Wanda, I see you. Say I'm up here, no one. I see you. Oh my God, I miss you. Wow.